Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular skincare products of the moment, turmeric body butter. This luxurious and nourishing body butter is not only great for your skin, but it also has a ton of health benefits. So, if you're curious to learn more about this amazing product, then keep watching. Firstly, let's talk about what turmeric body butter actually is. Turmeric body butter is a skincare product that is made with natural ingredients, including turmeric, which is a spice commonly used in Indian cooking. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that help to soothe and calm irritated skin. In addition, it contains antioxidants that can help to prevent signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. The body butter is also enriched with shea butter, which is a deeply moisturizing ingredient that helps to keep your skin soft and supple. The combination of turmeric and shea butter creates a rich, creamy formula that absorbs easily into your skin, leaving it feeling silky smooth and hydrated. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using turmeric body butter. As we mentioned earlier, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. It can also help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which makes it a great choice for people who are looking to even out their skin tone. In addition, shea butter is rich in vitamins A and E, which can help to protect your skin from environmental stressors such as pollution and UV rays. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and heal dry, irritated skin. Using turmeric body butter is easy. Simply apply a small amount to your skin and massage it in until it's fully absorbed. You can use it all over your body, including your hands, feet, and elbows, to keep your skin soft and hydrated. In conclusion, turmeric body butter is a luxurious and nourishing skincare product that has a ton of health benefits. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their skin looking and feeling its best. So, if you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend giving it a go. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.